Hi, I'm Sean Bailey, Certified CEFESA Master Technician and Trainer for General Parts, and today we're going to learn about diagnosing a Manitowoc ice machine that will not run. So I'm going to look at my control board and see if I have any lights on. If I don't, I'm going to check to verify there is power to the unit on wires 55 and 56. If I put my meter in there, shows me that I've got voltage. So now I'm going to want to check my fuse, unplug the unit, and if I pop my fuse out, set it on resistance, and shows me that the fuse is open, I'm going to replace the fuse.